Good morning. Welcome up to the Apex Residences site. I'm Tony Tyler with Columbus Pacific with another construction update. It's a spectacular summer morning, August 10th, 2017. We're standing directly behind Building 1 of the overlook level in what is going to be the ski trail, except that ski trail is going to be 35 feet above where I'm standing right now. What you can see behind me is a significant amount of progress on the upper parking structure. Right now, directly below me is the ceiling of the upper parking structure, which is going to form the plaza level between the overlook level units and the plaza level residences. And next we're going to take a quick dive down to the lower parking structure and show you some of the progress that we've made on the lower townhomes and the lower parking structure. Now we're standing inside the lower parking structure where you can see we've made a significant amount of progress. Directly above me you'll see the steel grid structure has gone into place with the deck directly above that. The ceiling of the structure actually forms the plaza that's the walkout directly behind the clubhouse residences. Immediately off to my right and above that deck is the ski trail, private ski trail that goes in between the plaza level residences and the clubhouse level residences and provides access to the ski in, ski out experience here at Apex. Immediately to my left, kind of off where the sunny side is, you're standing in the garage opening of our model residence number 1201. We would invite you to take a look at our finished model residence during the 17-18 ski season. Right now we've just got a slab on grade, but you're going to start seeing wood and steel go up next week.